There we go.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, we're tearing apart a 68 Impala parts car.
Yeehaw. There's not much left of her, but she's got some good drivetrain and a nice rear end, and we're about to show you what we just went through.
A lot of work, but it will definitely be fun.
It's going to get the Fastback on the road.
You might even see part of it going in the Fastback in this video. Don't know. We'll see. So, we already got the motor and training out and the front clip off. Just to kind of give you an idea. That's what's left of the chassis.
Laying on the ground. We pulled the front clip and the doors off, and the car kind of tried to fold in half. Because there's really no frame left.
We are keeping the front end, the doors, all the bumpers. Pulled all the AC system off the firewall. I still got to gut all the interior out, like the dash and all that AC stuff. Because believe it or not, it's very hard to find.
Factory AC 68 Impala.
So, as we travel back, you will notice there is nothing here. There was literally 3 bolts holding the whole back half of the frame in. We took a ratchet strap on the left. This is how you know you might be a little bit of a redneck.
Hey, if
but
it works, it works.
Is it really stupid if it works?
Is it stupid if it works? I say no.
I mean, this thing is just complete garbage. There is nothing left of this car besides a bunch of good parts. I mean, look at this. This is terrible.
This is what's left. We wanted to pull the rear end. I guess just the frame came with it on the back half.
Yeah, I wanted the frame, the rear bumper, or I wanted the rear end and the rear bumper, but it was easier to just pull the whole back half of the frame.
Yeah, now we can strip it off at our leisure.
Now, I got a 12 bolt ready for the Fastback. Did run the numbers on the motor. It is the original 68 327 high horse motor. So, I'm getting ready to load this thing up onto the trailer for now, and I'll gut the rest of it out right before it goes away. But figured I'd give you a little bit of an update because I know a lot of y'all like this stuff. So,
yeah. We've been busy. We haven't had time to work on it, but today we decided was the day to start getting parts, because we're going to try and make it to a couple of shows this summer, hopefully. There's 2 really big ones coming up here in Kansas. One about midsummer, one late at the end of the summer. So we'd like to make it to the one at the end of July. We'll see what happens. We're gonna grind gears.
for sure the one at the beginning of September.
In September, we're going to try and get this 68 Impala on the road, show some progress.
Doing some burnouts.
We don't just buy cars and collect them. We do work on them from time to time, believe it or not.
It takes us a little while to gather up everything. I mean, I wish I could get them done faster, but trying to find parts for some of these old cars that we get, because we don't buy the average car like everybody else, is a little hard.
And brand new parts are really expensive.
Yes. So, we'll be back here in a few seconds for you guys. Okay, guys, so we got her back, got the old Fastback in the shop. Got the old motor and training out, which is right here. And it's a paperweight. Wouldn't you agree, Brendan?
Oh, yeah. I had at least a gallon of water in the tranny when we went to pull it out of there. It was leaking all out the tail housing.
Yeah, that's all water that came out the transmission.
A hole the size of your fist in the oil pan. Looks like the previous owner may have thrown a rod and sent it to China.
Sent her a little too hard there, buddy.
You're a little too hard, bud.
Well, the old pan she just beat, and the whole bottom of it's completely rotted too. I mean, there's no saving that motor, so maybe a couple pieces of tin like the timing cover and stuff, but that'd be about it. So instead, we are going to put this one in. Oh, and we got the 12 bolt. Woohoo!
All right, and over here we got Brian giving the old 68 Fastback a Craigslist rebuild.
Quick and dirty.
Quick and dirty, the way Brian likes it.
I lost my receipts. It was a full frame off.
Yeah, full frame off resto. Yeah, that's what the previous owner told us anyways.
He says he has the receipts somewhere in his mom's basement.
Yeah, he's going to get them to us.
Yeah.
Had it done by the best shop in town.
Yep.
This'll make her look a little better when we take it out. Make us not quite so embarrassed to pop the hood.
Oh no, I'll still be embarrassed. But, you know, as old David Freiberger says, don't get it right, just get it going.
Indeed.
You can always make it right later on. But if you're not enjoying them, then you're going to lose interest. And that's what's happened. I'm not enjoying this stuff anymore. And that's why it's taking us so long to get stuff done. That and just lack of money, but, you know.
Time and money, the two things we never have enough of.
Hey, if I can just kind of make it fast and dirty to where we can get it out.
Hey, I think it looks 100 times better than what it did 5 minutes ago. And that right there is your Craigslist rebuild, boys.
Stick around for the motor to be rebuilt too. That one's going to be high perf.
High performance.
Well, guys, got a little update. Put the different front clip on it. It's actually in better shape than the Fastback's original one. It's still got issues, but it's workable at least, so. And we got 327. This one, she just downright dirty because it's actually going to come apart after the shows, and there will be more content coming on it because unfortunately the frame does have a little bit of rust, and we are going to patch it up to get it to the shows. It's not at an unsafe point, but I know where a rust-free frame is, so we're going to go ahead and put a new frame under it. What do you think, Brendan?
The motor's in. We know this motor runs. It'll get us down the road, and then we can love up on it later.
And if you hang tight and wait for the next video, which will be coming real quickly.
Maybe she'll get to do a burnout.
Just maybe. I don't know. You'll just have to wait and see.
To be continued.
So, till next time, don't forget to do a burnout.